Hey there, Troy Thompson, Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota. A lot of people ask me, what is comprehensive insurance? All right, well, what that is kind of like an act of God. So basically, if you hit a deer, which a lot of people might think that's collision, but if you're driving down the road, hit a deer, that would be comprehensive. If hail hits your car, that's comprehensive. If someone vandalizes your car, that's comprehensive. It's kind of the stuff where you're not driving, other than like hitting an animal. If there's a flood, that would be comprehensive. Of course, you have to take your deductible into account. So if you'd like to learn more about comprehensive insurance from an agency that is the best in the state of Minnesota, has the most Google reviews, has the best customer service, is independent because that's the best way to shop for insurance and get the best value, watch this video now.
Protecting your loved ones is everything. That's why you can't trust it to just anybody.
Ryan, how many Google reviews are we at?
We are at 502 five-star Google reviews, Troy.
You need a team dedicated to protecting you from threats of financial ruin. With over 500 five-star Google reviews and counting, we provide the most competitive home and auto insurance in the Twin Cities. We are an independent agency, which means you have options from over 20 carriers, which provide you the best rates and value. When protecting your family is on the line, leave it to Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota.